method is to download it from the Procolored official website.
Open folder 2. Extract A3 driver folder. Open the A3 driver folder. Open the L1800 driver program. Click OK. Click Agree and then click OK. Driver installation completed. Click OK. Return to the previous page. Unzip the ProRip folder. Open the ProRip installation program. Click Next. Install. Select OK. Click to repair. Click to close. Choose Agree. Install. Close. Click to complete. Open the ProRip program. Click on Allow. Set the size of the canvas. Choose an A3 sized canvas. Switch to the next page. Click on IP to select printer driver. Choose Epson L1800 driver. Click here to set the curve file. Select A3DTF 1800 as the default driver. Click on Clean to test if the software is installed correctly. The printer is starting to run for cleaning, waiting for the cleaning to be completed. Perform a printing test after cleaning is complete. Return to the previous page. Add pattern. Click RIP. Print. Waiting for printing test to complete. After printing is completed, if the printer does not have a red light on, it means that the test is complete and ink can be added.